Okay, today we'll start with the last part of this chapter, the cubic equation, solution of a cubic equation. First, we will write the standard form of a cubic equation. How to get the standard form of a cubic equation? Okay, now this cubic equation is a general form of a cubic equation. Okay, whose coefficients are binomial coefficients. You know binomial coefficients. If you expand a plus b whole to the power n, then all the coefficients will be binomial coefficients. You know that, okay? The general form. So the cubic equation is written as a0 x cube plus 3a1 x square plus 3a2 x plus a3 is equals to 0. So this is the binomial expansion, cubic equation with binomial coefficients. Okay, let x equals to y plus h be a transformation in this equation. Then we have to find the equation with this transformation. Okay, in such a way that our object will be in such a way that we will not get this second term. Okay, the transform equation may not want the second term. So if you write this transformation and substitute the value of x, you get y plus h whole cube plus y plus h whole square plus 3a2 y plus h plus a cube equals to 0. So this implies a0 y cube plus 3 a0 h plus a1 into y square plus 3 a0 h square plus 2a1 h plus a2 into y plus a0 h cube plus a1 h square plus 3 a2 h plus a3 equals to 0. Now since we don't want the second term, so this part will be 0, which implies we'll get h is equals to minus a1 by a0. So the value for our h will be equals to minus a1 by a0. So using this value of h, this equation will transform to y cube plus thrice a0 a2 minus a1 whole square divided by a0 square into y plus a0 square a3 minus 3 a0 a1 a2 plus 2 a1 whole cube divided by a0 whole cube equals to 0. Now we give the standard notations. So y cube plus thrice h by a0 square plus g by a0 whole cube equals to 0. So this is h and this is g. Okay, we give this substitute symbols for h and g. Now first, this equation, if alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of this equation, okay, then the roots of this equation is alpha plus h comma, okay, since x भनेको y plus h हैन, so y is equals to x minus h, so it is alpha minus h, beta minus h, and gamma minus h, that is alpha plus a1 by a0, because what is h? H is equal to minus a1 by a0, so similar this is beta plus a1 by a0, and this is gamma plus a1 by a0. Is that clear? Now if you multiply this roots by a0, okay, so you will get a0 alpha plus a1, this is a0 beta plus a1, and this is a0 gamma plus a1. So the equation will change to z cube plus thrice h z plus g is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of the cubic equation, z cube plus thrice h z plus g, and you know what are h and g, it is given up there. And root of this equation is a0 alpha plus a1, a0 beta plus a1, and a0 gamma plus a1, and you know what are these relation between alpha beta gamma and a1 a0. Okay, from the given equation, sum of the roots and product of the roots, from there you can find it out. So after finding this relation, that the relation is nothing but, I'll just write the relation, sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus 3a1 by a0. Okay, sum of the roots minus 3a1 by a0. So using this relation, we can write the roots is a0 by 3 twice alpha minus beta minus gamma, a0 by 3 twice beta minus gamma minus alpha, and a0 by 3 twice gamma minus alpha minus beta. So these are the roots of this cubic equation, z cube plus thrice h z plus z. Is that clear? Okay, now now we will do the general solution of a cubic equation. Okay, we use Cardans method to solve a cubic equation. Is that clear? I think that thing is important for you. Okay, so this is we have done how to write the standard form of a cubic equation. Now next we solve the cubic equation. Okay, if cubic equation is not given in a standard form, so we'll reduce it to the standard form, and you know the formula. So let us suppose that ax cube plus thrice b x square plus thrice c x plus d is equal to 0 be the cubic equation. Okay, now if you put this equation to a standard form, then it is z cube plus thrice h z plus g is equals to 0. So what is this z? Z is actually ax plus b. Okay, the root. Okay, a alpha plus a0 alpha plus beta, you know this, the root is a0 alpha plus b. Okay, in this case a0 a1 a2 a3, so in our case b, a b c d. Okay, so a0 is a1 is b, a2 is c, and a3 is d. So what is your h? H is a0 a2 minus a1 square. Okay, so this is h equals to ac minus b square. So in this case h is ac minus b square, and what is z? A0 square, that is a square d minus 3 abc plus twice a 2 b cube. So this is a square d minus thrice abc plus twice b cube. So these are our coefficients h and g. Now to solve this equation, we will start with let z is equals to u plus v. So this is our solution. Okay. What is z? Z equals ax plus b. Okay, this is our solution. Okay, we have to find the value for z, and we have to put find the value for x finally. Okay, so z is equals to u plus v. If we cube this thing, z cube is equals to u plus v whole cube. And what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. So this is the formula. Okay, what is u plus b? U plus b is z. So this can be written as u cube plus v cube plus thrice uv z. Okay, so finally we can write z cube minus 3uv z minus u cube plus v cube is equals to 0. So now we compare this and this. Okay, so from this we can write that uv is equals to minus h, and u cube plus v cube also equals to minus z. Now let's solve this u and v. Okay, uv is given, u cube plus v cube is given, and also we know u plus v is equals to z. Okay, I think yes, using that I think you have to use on this two. Okay, let's solve this one. So to solve this one, let's try to find u cube minus v cube. What is the formula for u cube minus v cube? It is u minus v. It is u minus v. Okay, wait. U cube minus v cube minus 3uv u minus v. Okay, u cube minus v cube is nothing but u minus v whole cube. This is minus becomes plus 3uv into u. Okay, wait. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. This is plus u minus v. Okay, yes. So this is your u cube minus v cube. Now you know uv, but you don't know what is u minus v. So you have to find out what is u minus v. Okay. Okay. Now uh, okay. U minus v. Okay. We need u minus v, right? Mhm. What about a square plus b square? Uh, okay. I think we can't get from this. Okay, we have to use a different one. U cube minus v cube whole square. Okay, what is u cube minus v cube whole square? I think from here we can find a u cube minus v cube. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, a cube a minus b whole cube is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. No, something is wrong. Okay, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And what is a square plus b square? It is a plus b whole square. Okay, so you can directly write a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, you can write this one. So this is a cube plus b cube whole square is it is z square minus 4 plus 4h cube. G square plus 4h cube. Okay, so therefore u cube minus v cube is equals to square root of g square plus 4h cube. Okay, we'll take the positive part. So understood now? U cube minus v cube is square root g square plus 4h cube. Therefore, if I take this as 2 and this as 1, solving 1 and 2 or just simply adding, you'll get adding 1 and 2, you'll get 2u cube is equal to minus z plus root over g square plus 4h cube. Okay, so u cube is equals to half minus z plus root over g square plus 4h cube. And similarly, after subtracting, you will get v cube is equals to half minus z minus g square plus 4h cube. So this is a u and v. Since this is u cube, okay, if okay, u cube is this, v cube is this. Okay, now if okay, so from here you will get u is equals to half into minus z plus root over g square plus 4h cube 1 by 3. So you have to find out the cube root of uh, yes, cube root of u, and similarly you have to find out v is equals to half into minus g plus square root of g square plus 4h cube 1 cubic root of v. And you know how to find out cubic root of some values. Okay, so if p is one of the values of u, okay, one of the three values of u, since this is cubic root, so you'll get three values. Okay, so the values of if p is one of the values of u, then if p is one of the values of u, then three values of u are p comma p omega comma p omega square. Okay, in this way you'll find out, you know how to find the cube this, what is this omega? This omega is the cube root of unity. So in this way you find the values of u also. Okay, how to find the cubic root of this? Okay, will you find in this fashion. Okay, and you know what is uv? Uv is equals to minus h. Okay, what is uv? Uv is equals to minus h. So since u is we got u, therefore v is equals to the values of v are minus h by p comma minus h by p omega comma minus h by p omega square. Now you got u and v, so now you can find out z equals to u by v, and finally you can find out x, that is z minus a by b. Is that clear? Therefore the values of z are p minus h by p u plus v. Okay, and this is p into omega minus h by p omega square, comma p omega square minus h by p omega. So these are the values of z, hence root of the equation, hence root of the equation are this is z minus b by a. Okay, so z is this, so p minus h by p minus b by a, comma this is pw minus h by pw square minus b by a, comma 1 by a p omega square minus h by p omega minus b. So this is the final root of the given equation. Is that clear? So you repeat yourself, okay, the complete method, and I have sent you the PDF file also. Yeah, okay, just check that PDF file. I think I have sent it everything, this Cardans method also, Ferrari's method and all. Just check it over there. Okay, if it is not there, I'll just check it and I'll send it to you again. Okay, just check there. Okay, and this is how you solve the given cubic equation. Okay, if you want to go through one example, okay, okay, if the given equation is not given in a standard form, then you have to convert it into a standard form. Okay, that is important, and you know how to transform the given equation in standard form. Okay, there's one example, the simple example. Okay, x cube minus 18x minus 35 is equals to 0. Since this equation is in standard form, so no need to convert it. So let we write x is equals to u plus v, then x cube is equals to okay, you can write direct x cube minus 3uvx minus u cube plus v cube is equals to 0. Okay, so comparing with the given equation, we get uv is equals to 6 and u cube plus v cube is equals to 35. So this is the we got after the comparison. So what is u? U is equals to half minus z. Okay, so this is z, because in that case it was u cube plus v cube plus minus z. It was minus z, that's why in our solution also we got minus z. Is that clear? So this is 35 plus root over g square, so it is g square plus 4h cube, right? So g square means it is 35 square minus 4 into h cube. So 4 into 6 into 6 into 6, 6 is a 36, 6 for the 24, 864. Okay, so if you solve this one, okay, this is u cube, sorry, and what is v cube? Half 35 minus root over 35 square minus 860. What is 35 square? 12, 1, 2 to 5. So if you subtract 1, 2 to 5 by 864, so it is 1, 6. So 2, okay, first, sorry, first one is, okay, it is subtraction. So 361. Can you find the square root of 361? Okay, so it is 35 plus 19 by 2. 35 plus 19, so square root of this is 360 19. So 9 plus 5 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5, 54. 54 by 2, it is 27, and in this case 35 minus 19, 16. So it is 8. So the values of u are uh, 3 into 3 omega into 3 omega square. Value of v are 2 to the 4 to the 8, so 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square. So these are the solutions of u and v. So if you put x is equal to u plus v, then that is your root of the given equation. Is that clear? So the root of the equations are, first is 2 plus 3 is 5, comma, second is 3 omega plus 2 omega square, comma, and third one is 3 omega square plus 2 omega. So these are the roots of the given equation. Is that clear? And since uv is equal to 6, okay, wait. Okay, no problem. Okay, in this way you can find the given um, roots of the given. So this one is a simple example. Okay, now there are other questions where the given equation is not given in a standard form. So first of all, you just have to convert it into a standard form. So you will get some lengthy questions, lengthy process to solve this cubic equation.